How to remove a payment method in Uber Eats wallet. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Uber Eats app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on your profile at the bottom right. Then click on Wallet at the top. Here, in Payment Methods, you'll find all your payment methods. Simply tap the payment method you want to remove, then press on Remove Payment Method. Tap Confirm. After you clicked on Confirm, return to the wallet to confirm it's gone, and after you do that, you're good to go. You won't be able to see any payment method related to that as well. And this is how to remove a payment method in Uber Eats wallet. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.